Yes, I saw it and I said it in an interview that Jamaica would pay dearly, dearly. And I hasten to say, and I mean it, if we don't try to arrest this situation, we are only at the first stage of the dearly. The other dearly is still to come. Dearly, dearly.
Winning, we winning. Winning, we winning. Winning, we winning. Winning, we winning. Champion, champion, yeah, the rig gets so clean. Champion, champion, black, gold, and green. Champion.
Production. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Yes, man, brothers and sisters, welcome to Lionfoot TV. Anyone in the big up on yourself? Is that me answer? That me answer. Yeah, man, you don't know your support is highly appreciated, is it? Yes, man, do give thanks to life, health, and strength. You know what I mean? I remember every day, every morning, you rise the hope in the eyes. Always remember to give praises to the Most High. Is it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, right now, we have some local rumors going around regarding Reneto Adams to be reinstated back. I don't know how true it is. That's why I'm doing this vlog now to see if anyone can confirm. As I say, obviously right now a lot of people are outcry. A lot of people crying for help and guidance and protection from the force. You know what I mean? So I don't know the routine with viewers and subscribers so far.
Champion, champion, yeah, the rig gets so clean. Champion, champion, black, gold, and green. Champion, champion, me have to fight for my dreams. Me have to strive and achieve. Yeah. Champion, champion, black, gold, and green. Champion, champion, me have the rig.
Welcome back, my brothers and sisters. So I say thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, I don't know, Tina B. Want to check out that female artist there. And I mean, this vlog is sponsored by Tina B. Yes, man. Jamaican artist based in the UK, you know. A lady are putting in the work, is it? Yeah, man. So, right now, we see Jamaica is in a deplorable situation when it comes to crime and violence, homicide, you know, all those stuff. Viewers and subscribers, we don't know how I go on, but 2021 surpassed 2020 when it comes to the death toll. See, surpassed it. I will say, so 2022 is going to be an interesting one to see what the governments or the Prime Minister has in mind how to tackle the situation, this infested crime business here all over Jamaica. Zine, right now country badness turn up. Westmoreland, Trillani, turn up. You see me? And I like one time when people say, yo, them free that town, they now come out town. Right now, badness turn up everywhere, and it's all coming from one route, or maybe the main route right now, which is the scamming. You see me? And all I foot now fight against nobody and how they make them money or what about. It's when it start leading to bloodshed. You see me? I say, dirt people I get dashed with dirt, clap with. You see me? I say? Innocence, a lot of innocence. I feel it right now. Some viewers and subscribers today, they work on, you know, my brother my reason and thing. We hear them say, yo, I join the conversation, they say, yo, they ask me if me here. Because they should know me as a youth man who do my vlogging and connection on the ground, you know? Yes, and I say, no, sir, I don't really hear that still. You know, so people always say, Adams, they want Adams back into the force. You see me? You know, some people like Adam, some people not like him. Them say him too brutal. But I'm a fan of him. I think he did a good job when Adam was in charge and them thing. The crime Enough of the man them put on badness. Enough of them runway. Who no dead runway. No man no want be no done. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Zeal. And people say, oh, get him out of the force. Get him out of him. People fight against him, saying figure out prison for this and that. I remember the man has serve and protect the country. Not saying he might do some bad things or slap an innocent youth, you know. I'm not saying that. Me don't know about, you know. He did have the country under control. You see me? He did have the country under control. Comment in the comment section and let me know if you agree with me or not. And let me know if you would like back Adams in the force. Come here, so them must have it in discussions. You see me? I don't know what truth it is, so I wait for here on D-Day. You see me? That would be a good move. And I think maybe Andrew that wins back some fans. You see, because right now Jamaica out of control, man. Jamaica is out of control. You know, condolence to the two brothers them, you know what I mean, just come from Cayman and they get dirt. But yes, our next brother from Cayman, for the same construction where them do, you can get dirt too. Some of them know how to go on if it's a link thing or what, we don't know. Our Lion Footer says, stop the crime, please and thanks. They are begging to stop the crime. I can't beg you. I don't have a big voice and I don't have power. But the platform is to preach, you know, positivity and peace and them things that you see me? No man, too much people are trapped, man. The year just started and much people gone already. Illegally, you see what I say? Wrongfully. We don't talk like normal accident and them things there. We are talking wrongfully by the weapon, you know, or the knife or whatever. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Think really bad, man. Really bad, and to me it's annoying. You see me? Every day. We don't know why they... Boy, we don't know if I say. Viewers and subscribers, brothers and sisters, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you heard of that, if you heard of Adams, you know what I mean, that want to get him back to the force, or would you like him back to... Would you like him to be reinstated back in the force? Let me know in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers. Kings and queens, brothers and sisters, let me know please and thanks. It's just a quick update of what I heard today, so I'll share it and ask, because if you don't ask, you don't know, you see me? Yes man, so once again, the whole Jamaica, the youths them of Jamaica style. Stop wasting your life. There's better way out, you know? Yeah man. There's better way out, so I'm going to please think about it. Think before you act. See me? The garrison them we are war against them one another. So for instance, let me talk about my place, because I know about my place. Pienland, Village, Delicree Lane, High Rise, Low Rise, Mango Store. You see me as a Mackay Lane. Alright, watch out now. Village split up in about 3 according to where we are here, you know. Split up, including with Pienland, High Rise. And the whole of it, I want, you know, the whole of it grow. Not for the man them we are knock it, the whole of it grow. You see me? And the young generation will come up now, the whole of them grow, and enough of them related in some means or some way. Enough of them related. Either cousin or this and that. You see me I say? Either cousin or in-law or real blood, solid blood. I don't know the garrison that. Small and everybody come up and have baby and them thing there. The whole of them related, the whole of it related in some way. You see me? Whether by cousin this side or that side of Jantan breed Mary and even Susan breed for Harry or whatever. And all that we are war against one another. When we should have come together and try to make life better. Each one help one. Everybody wants to be a Dan. Everybody wants to rule. Everybody wants to be in power. No man will get talk. And then, you see that jailhouse or deadhouse, you know. One of them two that lead to. You see me? Some of viewers and subscribers, some are going to leave it still. You see me I say, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching, my brothers and sisters. So I say, well, let me know in the comment section. You can either say yes or no. Just let me know. True or if nothing no go so. You see me? Relating to Reneto Adams to be reinstated back in the force. Yes, man. Big up on yourself. A lion foot with another flag. I will do it. I'm not boast, not brag. We have 2 song reviews coming up soon. Look out for it. Yeah, man. 2 old school song. And it's all relating to, differentiation, bad mind, you know what I mean, no loyalty, and everything just crumble when it should have come together. You see me? So look out for those 2 reviews. You see what I'm saying? Big up on yourself. A lion foot. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
You feel for plan, that mean you plan to fail. That mean you plan to suffer, that mean you plan to jail. You need more ambition and no ammunition. We there for your purpose, we there upon a mission. You better have a vision and make some wise decision. And make no sense, you buy the Benz and have a baby sleep on.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and ground. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.